Yes, in this lesson I want to show us how to draw our windows and doors in elevation. Now we've projected our walls are clearly shown, but we'll see hatching later. But let's leave hatching for now. Since you will know hatching, I will advise you to hatch yourself. The same method that you used here, you can also go through this uh, view again, pick these two palettes and fill in this other place. You fill in this place, you make sure you zoom very well, you fill it in. Anytime you fill it in, you close this one, and you match your properties to make it the same. So now let's extend our windows first. So let's go to Excel, enter V, enter. That's the vertical. So you go to where the window is, you click this right place and this left place showing the window. So by the time you go there, you now see where you are going to cut each through from it. So don't forget the height of your window is 2100 mm. So you offset from this line, you bring it back. Now the height of our kitchen window is 900 mm. So you press enter, you bring it down, you now trim. You go to trim, you window, and you begin to trim all those places that you want to trim. You will discover that because I window all that I wanted to trim, the trimming was easy. Because if I did not window everything like that, those lines will not completely trim. I will still have to be deleting. So to window and trim makes your work easier. So you go to match properties and match this one and this one. So now we can work on this window now. Window length, you know, I already told you, if you want to check you measure from here to here is 1200. So now you can choose to divide, give it window light 300. You offset like this. You divide this window into 2 or 3 as the case may be. Since it's only 2, you can divide it like this into 2. So it depends on you whether you want to make casement window or sliding window. So assuming it's sliding window that you prefer, you can make this one go up to. So from here now, you know, it depends on your discretion. You can still divide this one into 2 as the case may be. That line that I drew now, I drew it because I wanted to get the midpoint of this place. So that's why I drew that line. You can see that I wanted to get the midpoint. So now we can divide this one and now go to BO, enter, and click our point, make this one boundary, make this one boundary, you press enter. So now let's offset our window frame, let's say 40, enter, you set inside, you set inside, and you set inside. So by the time you finish that, you just copy what you have done here. It's either a mirror or you copy. So let's use mirror. You take it up, you press enter, and that's the end of your window. So that same process too, you can go and also draw your door. Let's go to the door layer, you go to door, go and extend, go to Excel, enter, type V, enter. You now extend the door that is showing in the extension line from here to here. You go back again to this place, you now draw your door, enter. Your height of your door is 2.1 meters, enter. You offset this line. By the time you offset this line, you click your trim, you window everywhere, and begin to trim, and trim. This one, if you do it and it's not, everything did not delete, just delete it normally, highlight and delete or erase. They are doing the same work. So you match properties from here to here. Now you can just give your door go to rectangle, window rectangle from right to left, offset 45 mm for your window frame thickness. And after you have done that, just go to circle. You see your circle here, and you now create your opening. You see where is the door opening? It's opening inside from here. So you now draw just a knob around this place, just a knob around this place, then you finish. That's how you draw your door, and you also draw your window. So take note of that. We continue this lesson. I see you in the next class. Thank you.